Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove the Visual Studio's code from your Windows 11 PC. So if you want to delete the Visual Studio's code and make sure that it does not interrupt with your files or the file system, so let's follow the simple steps. The first thing you need to do is close any Visual Studio's session that is currently open. So once you have closed all of the sessions, then you need to head on to the settings of your PC. So let's head on to the settings. Once you are inside the settings, you need to head on to the apps option. Then from the apps, click on installed apps. Then under the installed apps, search for vscode, and here you can see this is the Visual Studio's code. So simply click on these three dots, and then from here you will see this option of uninstall. Simply click on the uninstall button, and it will ask you again. So simply click on the uninstall button again, and it will ask you again for a final time. So simply click on the yes button, and here you can see that the uninstall.exe file has started running and the uninstall process has begun. And once that will be done, you will see this message which says Visual Studio code was successfully removed from your computer. Simply click on OK, and now the VS Code has been successfully removed from your PC. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.